Mike.
And today we are going to do a spa day video. Just the two of us trying out some products since there really is not much else to do in shelter in place, is there?
Not really.
Yeah. Treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
The first thing we did was lay out all of the items we were going to use on a tray so that they were accessible and nothing would spill, as well as some snacks and something to drink. The first thing we did was slather our feet in a really thick body cream and then put on some fuzzy socks. This way the lotion would work its way into our feet while we did the rest of our spa evening, and at the end they'd be nice and soft. I included a bowl of hot water on our tray, dipped 2 of our washcloths into it, and then we steamed our faces with them to open up our pores and get our skin ready for the products. We had already washed our faces right before this, so that all of our lotions and serums would be able to work effectively. We used Clarins Fresh Scrub, which is an exfoliating cream. Worked that all over our faces to slough off dead skin and reveal shiny, bright, beautiful new skin. Then we wipe that off with our hot washcloths. And next we use Clarins SOS Hydra Mask. This is a super moisturizing facial mask. We put that all over our faces and necks and gave that a little bit of time to work. Then removed it with Amore Pacific Moisture Bound Lotion on a cotton swab. This way you're not taking off too much of that good product and you're not drying your skin. Next, I use my Clarins Extra Firming Lotion on my neck and chest while Mike went and shaved. And then we got to work whitening our teeth. I like to do this every 4 or 5 months as I remember to do it, and I pretty much use whichever white strips I can find at the time. We used 2 No. 7 facial sheet masks. I love these because they also have ear holders so that they loop onto your ears on the top and the bottom and really conform to your face so that they can stay put and work their magic. After about half of an hour wearing those, we pulled those off and had nice moisturized skin already. But we kept going with Clarins Bright Plus Serum. This is a skin brightening serum and it absolutely works wonders on age spots and sunspots. Then once we worked that serum in, we used Saturday Skin Eye Cream. We just patted this in on our upper and lower eyelids. This is also an eye brightening cream, so if you have dark circles, this will really start to help eliminate those over time. After that, making sure to hydrate in between because that's essential, we took off our crust white strips and then we used our Saturday Skin Waterfall Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer because it's kind of like a combination between a lotion and a serum in the form of a Hydra gel. Then we used Clarins Hydra Essential Lip Balm. Well, I did, and then I tried to get Mike to use it for quite some time. That's the great thing about this, is you can watch something while you're doing this entire process. Then we used Relief Balm from Papa and Barkley. This is a THC balm that we use. I like to rub this into my jawline and neck right now since I'm still recovering from car accident stuff, and Mike is just always stressed. And then once we'd gone through that entire process, it was time for a snack. And that's pretty much all there is to this. Let me know in the comments below if this is something you would do with your significant other, and if you have any other easy quarantine date ideas. Thanks for watching.